Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a blower motor in a GMC Sierra. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Next, gather your essential tools, which typically include a ratchet, various sockets, and a flathead screwdriver. You'll find the blower motor assembly conveniently located under the passenger side dashboard, making it accessible for this repair. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your vehicle's heating and cooling system. Now that you're prepared, let's access the old blower motor. Begin by carefully removing any trim panels or covers that might be obstructing your view or access to the blower motor assembly. Once visible, locate and disconnect the electrical connector from the motor housing. This is crucial for safety. Finally, you will need to unscrew the 3 to 5 retaining screws that hold the old motor firmly in place. With these screws removed, the old blower motor should be ready for extraction. With the old motor out, it's time to install your new blower motor. Gently guide the new motor into its designated housing, ensuring it sits correctly and securely. Next, use the original 3 to 5 retaining screws to firmly secure the new motor in position. Proper fastening is key for stability. After the motor is mounted, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks into place for a solid connection. This step ensures your new motor receives power and operates correctly. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinstall any trim panels or covers that you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened and aligned. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore electrical power to your vehicle. The final and most important step is to test the new blower motor across all fan speeds, from low to high, to confirm it functions properly and provides consistent airflow. Congratulations! Your blower motor replacement is complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.